Hi Yash,
Hi Madhurima, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I hope you are safe.
I am fine, absolutely fine. Hope you're good.
Yes, even I'm good. So,
Hi guys, hello everyone. I'm coming live after really long actually. Yeah,
how have you been doing in the lockdown? What have you been doing since the past few days, Madhurima?
it's been crazy actually. Started off, I was happy actually. Sleep it out. But in the middle, in between, it became really crazy. काफी मतलब frustration हो जाती है, and that's how I started. Okay, let me start dancing, doing yoga. I mean, I've always done, but not this regularly. But अभी क्या है कि थोड़ा मौका ज़्यादा मिल रहा है to know yourself better and experiment different things. So this is what I'm doing during my lockdown. Yeah.
You've been dancing and doing a lot of yoga. So what does that do to you? Does that bring refreshments or does that get positivity, motivation in you? How is it helping?
Yeah. Absolutely, it brings a lot of refreshment. I mean, you're sweating it out, you're releasing all the stress, all the negative energy. Because continuously, if you're just sitting in one position in your bed watching TV, it just gets to you. So I think dancing and doing different stuff, it really helps you change your mind and gives you that peace also. I think so. So that's why I dance. I love dancing, and plus, the people, everyone, or the audience, they're loving my performances, so I'm enjoying it more.
I am sure you should do it more. People are loving it.
I will try. I mean, you really need that guts to do it also. Yeah.
A lot of people are disturbed with the stress, anxiety. So it's good that you're doing something recreational to keep yourself motivated and positive.
Yes. Yes, that's true. That's what my mom said. I mean, everybody's so sad and depressed right now. It's good that you're posting different stuff. I mean, happy stuff, so that it gives them also motivation to be happy. So yeah,
So
I'm happy.
you've become content creator lately. So does this negativity, stress bother you, or you face a creative block at times?
I didn't know I had become this content creator, and I'm being watched, and because of my content, so I have to be really particular. What do I do? What do I do? क्या करूँ तो कभी कभी ऐसे थोड़ा हो जाता है. I become little more cautious. Earlier I used to be carefree, like चलो post कर दो जो भी करना है. अभी भी ऐसा ही है, but still little more careful about stuff. But I'm happy that people are liking my stuff.
So what is the first thing that you're going to do once the lockdown gets over?
I think I'm gonna drive down Mumbai and take the breeze. I feel the breeze on my face. That's what I want to do. I think it's so much necessary just to
Yeah.
get out and just live.
And now the lockdown in Mumbai has been extended almost for a month again. So yes, we all
Yeah,
miss.
again. I know. I mean, it's depressing. Yeah. I mean, but now that I think we are all used to it. We just used to everything. Yeah.
And just learning to live with it.
We're just trying to live with it. I mean, otherwise there's no other option. Now I think now people will start, like how people have started making films on phone only. The ads and everything is सब phone में ही शुरू हो जाएगा अभी सब कुछ. I think they have to come with an option.
Yeah. True. We have to get acquainted with it. I agree.
Yeah, correct.
So, Madhurima, you have worked in the television industry, worked in Bollywood, you have worked for Telugu movies. How do you differentiate these? Do you have any differentiating factor about each of them?
I think I think Bollywood and Telugu is like it's a film industry. Just the language is different. I think TV is something which is like you have to give in every day. I mean, every day you have to go for shoot in the morning. You have to get up at 7 a.m. shift. You have to get up at 6, 9 a.m. shift. Your script on the spot like that day only. So that's very difficult. You have to be prepared all the time with all your emotions. Like if one day you're one day you're crying and happy and romantic every scene together. But in films, what happens is you get the time to understand the role and you have the time to prepare yourself and then perform. So film, I mean, that's the difference, I would say.
So,
So film is a little easy, baby. I mean, it's like pampering yourself, and TV is like a hard work.
I have you been binge watching any TV shows lately or anything?
Yes, I am. I have seen so many of them actually. I've seen Money Heist, Stranger Things, and Walking Dead. I finished it. Like I was like, I have to finish this. It's such a long series. I said I have to finish this, and a lot of them. Dynasty. I'm watching Dynasty right now. So yeah, it's interesting. Good stuff. I'm enjoying myself.
Okay. So, Madhurima, if you had to, trade your life with someone for a day, who would it be?
I think Ranveer. I want to say, yeah. I mean, the kind of energy he has, it's so infectious. Matlab, I mean, I want to know what he does to get that energy. How is he at home? I'm sure at home he must be a very quiet person. That's what I think. I guess so. I mean, I want to know that. So maybe Ranveer Singh, yes.
Yeah, it would be interesting to know, how he is at home and how he
Yeah. Suddenly he becomes like all charged up. So.
Okay, so Madhurima, do you think that contemporary television is being replaced by OTT?
I think yes, it is being replaced by OTT because OTT they're coming up with such good content, and TV cannot take all that content, and there are many shows which doesn't get approved on TV. So definitely OTT is taking over. I mean, I think it's a good thing, and there's so many actors who are getting the to perform and act, and and they're getting picked up also for films from that. So I think it's fantastic.
So for the television industry, do you see it as an opportunity or a threat?
It is definitely a threat because now people have started because it's easy, mobile, and now that we are in a lockdown, I mean, you cannot even shoot. There's nothing you can show on TV. So I'm definitely it's a threat, but there are people who love watching TV, so it can never go down completely, I'm sure. And yeah, so once the people will get accustomed to watching OTT kind of serial content shows, I am sure they'll get to TV also. They'll come to TV. I'm sure they'll start making TV shows which are like अपना series जैसा बनती है content types. Like जैसे हमारा जो पाकिस्तान का जो show था जिंदगी and all that, those shows were so good. I'm sure TV people will also come up with those kind of shows.
Okay. So, can you share one of your craziest experience on the television set or any movie sets, like anything crazy or you remember?
I think the craziest memory would be in Chandrakanta. Like I had this magic power with me, so I'm flying around here and there every time. So every time I had to wear harness on me because I have to fly. So I think that was the craziest because I was like, कब खत्म होगा ये harness कब मैं उड़ना बंद करूँगी मुझे छोड़ दो please. So it had become like बहुत difficult हो गया था after a point because every day I'm in harness, I'm wearing harness and I'm flying here and there and throwing magic and doing stuff like that. So yeah, it was insane.
Okay, so Madhurima, let's come to the rapid fire segment now. I'm not aware with the rules. Okay, I hope you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm like, have I ever and what about that show? Oh my god, that game. But it's okay, yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
Bring it on.
Okay, so the first question is something that you have learned from lockdown.
Something I've learned from lockdown is patience, I think, and hope. And I think that's something which I've learned. Patience, I mean, you definitely always have patience, but right now you've learned that you have to give yourself also more priority. I mean, you cannot keep running around asking for validation and stuff. You just be with yourself, be happy what you are, where you are, and enjoy life.
So, who's your Bollywood crush?
Who's my Bollywood crush? I think Hrithik Roshan, always, forever.
I think Ranveer.
Sorry?
I was
Ranveer, you saw Ranveer. Actually, my